Taylor, a couple questions because I've experienced this with some of my businesses. The laws are shifting in terms of the data that you have to share with prospects. And I'd just be curious. I know that we're aware of that in New York. I don't know if that's a national issue in Illinois or other states as well. But are you familiar with those issues? And tell me how that's impacting the business.
Yeah, so for Chicagoland, well, Illinois specifically, we used to be able to ask people, how much money do you make?
Right.
And you could literally force them almost to send you their pay stub. That about maybe 10 years ago or so, 8 years ago, became illegal. You can no longer do that anymore, which is fine. In New York, what you're talking about is now if you post a job online, you have to say what the salary is or what the salary range will be. Now, those laws may be all fine and dandy and they may make a difference. And I hope that they do the right things that people are hoping that they'll do. But what my guess is, what's going to happen with that is that businesses, they're now forced to put a salary range and they're just going to make a really big range. You know, this pays somewhere between $100,000 and $200,000. Thanks. That doesn't really help me. And there's no law that says that you have to have a smaller range. So I don't really think that that's going to fix whatever the problem is that they're trying to fix. But it's at least a step in the right direction for the government to try and do what they're doing.